Hello and welcome to our channel, where we talk about all things money and financial wellness. Today, we're going to be discussing how to earn money. Earning money is an essential part of life, as it allows us to pay for the things we need and want. But, with so many options available, it can be difficult to know where to start. That's why we're here to guide you through some of the most popular methods of earning money. First, let's talk about getting a job. This is one of the most traditional ways to earn money, and it involves working for someone else. You can find jobs by searching online, in newspapers, or through networking. Some popular job search websites include Indeed, LinkedIn, and Glassdoor. Job opportunities range from entry-level positions to high-paying executive jobs. You can also look for part-time or freelance work, which can be a great way to earn extra money while keeping your schedule flexible. Next, let's talk about starting a business. If you have an entrepreneurial spirit and a good business idea, starting your own business can be a great way to earn money. It may require a significant investment of time and money, but the potential rewards can be substantial. There are many resources available to help you get started, such as the Small Business Administration, SBA, and SCORE. Another way to earn money is through investing. This can include investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate. Investing can be risky, but it can also be a great way to grow your wealth over time. It's important to do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Freelancing is another way to earn money. If you have a skill or talent that others need, you can earn money by freelancing. Popular freelancing platforms include Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. This can be a great way to earn extra money on the side or even turn into a full-time career. Online earning is also a popular way to earn money. There are many ways to earn money online, such as taking online surveys, selling products on online marketplaces like Amazon and Etsy, or creating and monetizing a website or YouTube channel. The internet provides an endless stream of opportunities to earn money and the potential to reach a global audience. Renting out a room in your home is another way to earn money. Platforms like Airbnb allow you to rent out a spare room in your home to travelers. This can be a great way to earn extra money if you have a spare room and don't mind having guests. Lastly, let's talk about the gig economy. Platforms like Uber, Lyft, and TaskRabbit allow people to earn money by providing on-demand services like ride-sharing and delivery. These gig opportunities are a great way to earn extra money on the side, while keeping your schedule flexible. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on all things money and financial wellness.